finished up the install on the Honda Jazz. If we get into the front of the vehicle now, so it's going to go around to the front of the unit. So once it turns on, you have your controls for radio. We have controls for Bluetooth music, phone calling, you can do videos, there's Play Store so you can download optional apps. Then there is YouTube on here available as well. We also have CarPlay through here via a Bluetooth connection. We have USBs down in the glove box, 2 USBs for charging and connecting via your CarPlay. This is the unit here.